First off, start by peeling the protective film from the protector. There's a protective film on all four sides. Now that I've peeled it from all four sides, I want to start from the back of the protector. Just place my finger here and pull it into the box formation. Now that shouldn't take too much strength. Now to enclose the bottom of the box, I just want to push these tabs inwards. There is absolutely no reason to push them outwards, and the box is not designed to go this way. To get this piece on, I just need to bend the tab down and push it into place. I lock one side in and then push the other side in. If the tab pushes up, I can just place my hand into the box and push it down on the corner until I hear a click. You may need to apply force from this side, and there's that click, and now we have that box formation. Now with these tabs up top, you don't want to bend them this way. You'll kind of feel that they won't like movement that way. Just bend this tab down. Same with this one, it doesn't want to move back that way. If we apply too much force in this direction, these tabs could snap. So we just want to bend them in, bend it down, and then that's our box formation. Now before I close this up, I want to put my pop inside. So I just want to check that everything's okay at the bottom. You want to make sure that this tab on the bottom is not pushed in too far forward. And then you can go ahead and slide the pop inside. Then I can push these tabs down. Once again, push in one side, then push in the other, hear it click. And there we have it. A quick and easy way to get your pop out of one of these protectors is to get something like a ruler, slide it in under the flap, and pop out one of the corners. Once you've done that, you can just pull out the other side very easily. If you're doing it by hand, you are going to require a little bit of force. These are designed not to be super easy to open, such that kids won't be able to open them easily. So you just grab your finger and put it under there, push back and up until it pops out. The bottom of our pop here is a bit of a flex in the box. So when we place it into the protector, we want to make sure that it doesn't get caught on our plastic tab at the bottom. So we want to slide it in, carefully watching that it doesn't get caught. If we see it hit the plastic protector, we want to take it back a bit, squeeze the sides of the plastic and push down on the top. This will flatten the box. Then we can push down straight past the flap.